Hello everybody, welcome to Bell's CB. It's a tune-up report on the Stryker SR-955HPC. This is for Kevin in Missouri. Okay Kevin, let's take the power, turn it all the way down, put it in AM mode. Put this down. Okay, there's R1. If I roll it all the way up, it'll go to the max. Go to the next scale. That's 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. See, right about 17 there. Peak power, 100 watt slug. So there's 1680. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Sideband. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. And let's see, we'll put this on a 100 scale. There's FM all the way up, 50, and all the way down, pretty much nothing. All right. How about at 19, can I get a radio check? Someone in the distance said it's working. I wonder if they're talking to me, 642, Fort Lauderdale. You say Kentucky waving a hand? 10-4 Kentucky, sounding good down here in Fort Lauderdale. 10-4, thanks for coming back to me. You take care now.